Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September the 11th. For August 28th to September 1st, we have a northwest trough that will gradually weaken and lift out as we go through the period, only to be replaced by a new trough later on. And we have the westerlies that remain across the northern states. Broad ridge covers the southern states. Now, talking about the tropics, there is a threat of a tropical development that may track in the Gulf in the southwest and the southern U.S. Okay, and we're going to take a look at this. We're going to go Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and you can see we have a low that develops here near the Yucatan, right here, and then it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, and this will bring rain to portions of the Gulf Coast states. There'll be a heavy rain as it moves in there. And also, want to get into that, we have other tropical systems that we are watching. We're watching one here. I'll show you. Here and here, they remain weak. The other one has an 80% chance of development, and the other one has a 30%. I think this is the one out here. So these are things to be watched there. Okay. Within this flow, we'll go to the other map now. Within this flow, we'll have several troughs or fronts moving through the northern states, and this move eastward, bringing a threat of heavy rainfall to the upper Midwest and continue eastward into the east. Now, also, you can see here the development that we're expecting before the models are bringing it more south into Mexico. Now it's gearing more towards the Gulf Coast states. And the area from the Great Lakes, the Mid-Atlantic, may see some rain and storms during the weekend, and to the south, we'll have diurnal activity within the hot and humid air mass. We're going to look now at the period for September 2nd to the 6th. And a new trough will come into the northwest. That'll set up there with the ridge across the southern states. You can see our ridge here. And the westerlies remain to the north. Now, some of the models are showing, let me see if I could find this. This is through the 6th. Like this, we have a double ridge. We have a ridge here over the southwest and over the western Atlantic and southeast. They may merge, forming a ridge across the southern states. So you have to see how that goes. That'll bring very hot temperatures down there. So the model's a good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for this region, with the anomalies of 2 to 5 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here, and anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal are forecast. For precipitation, that's why I had the near normal here, and monsoonal activity will be here, so the temperature will be near normal. But we have below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast here and for here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking at the period for September 7th to the 11th. Little overall changes forecasting the circulation. Westerlies remain across the northern states. Here's our ridge across the southern states. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures, above normal temperatures for much of this region here. Probability of, I'm forecasting anomalies of, let me see, 2 to 8 degrees above normal, below normal here, with anomalies of 2 to 5 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. and we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 28th through September the 11th. Thanks for coming to Jim Umley's World of Weather, and have a good day.